If you've been waiting for Samsung to drop something drastically different, the upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra might not be the wild card you expected. But here's the twist: it doesn't have to be. According to recent leaks, Samsung isn't chasing shock value this year. Instead, it's quietly tuning the Ultra line for better balance, smarter performance, and refined design. Starting off with the display, Samsung seems content sticking with the familiar 6.9-inch panel we've seen before. But that doesn't mean it's staying the same. Bezels are reportedly getting even slimmer, giving you a fuller screen experience without increasing the phone's overall size. A nice touch for media lovers. The S Pen drama? Don't worry. Although Samsung explored the idea of ditching this stylus digitizer, it didn't pass internal tests. So yes, the S Pen is here to stay. As for aesthetics, the S26 Ultra keeps the overall look of its predecessor. However, Samsung has tidied up the rear camera layout. Those scattered metal ring designs from last year? Gone. The new layout is cleaner, more unified, and easier on the eyes. And the rugged essentials like IP68 water and dust resistance. Still fully intact. Let's talk cameras, because on a Samsung Ultra phone, it's a big deal. The core setup remains familiar, with a 200MP ISOC LLHP2 sensor leading the charge. But there's now an improved lens system to capture sharper, more detailed shots. Supporting cameras include a 50MP ultrawide and a 50MP periscope with 5x zoom, both solid upgrades in their own right. Even the 3x telephoto sensor is getting a boost, jumping to 12MP from 10MP. Samsung's also adding a laser autofocus sensor and rolling out a new image engine, tentatively named Next, aimed at lifting photo quality across all sensors, especially in trickier lighting conditions. As for the front camera, it's getting an upgrade, but Samsung's still keeping those details under wraps. Now this is where things heat up, literally and figuratively. Every version of the S26 Ultra, whether it's sold in the US, India, or Europe, will come powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 Elite chip. Samsung's own 2N in-house chip just isn't ready yet, so Qualcomm takes the global stage again. But this time, the chip is expected to carry Galaxy-exclusive optimizations. To keep the device cool, Samsung has expanded the vapor chamber cooling system by 20%, which should reduce overheating during gaming or long video sessions. Combine that with software-level tweaks, and you can expect smoother, sustained performance and potentially better battery efficiency. Speaking of battery, we're still getting a 5,000 mAh cell 45W charging, which on paper sounds the same, but internal improvements should translate into longer real-world use. Here's a pleasant surprise. 16 GB of RAM will be standard across all storage variants. Whether you're going for 256 GB, 512 GB, or the 1TB model. For multitaskers, content creators, or mobile gamers, this is a welcome consistency. The titanium frame is also getting slightly slimmer, from 8.22mm to 8.1mm, while keeping the same durable, premium feel that defines the Ultra line. No, the Galaxy S26 Ultra isn't a dramatic reimagining of the Ultra series, but that's not the goal this time. Instead, Samsung seems to be fine-tuning the formula, trimming the excess, tightening the design, and improving real-world performance where it matters most. The question is that enough to convince users to upgrade from the S25 Ultra? If you're using a phone that's 2 or 3 generations behind, or if you're someone who values stability, polished hardware, and long-term reliability, the S26 Ultra might be one of the most balanced flagships we'll see in 2025. Are you into Samsung's more subtle, refined approach, or are you hoping for something bolder this year? Let's chat in the comments. Until then, stay curious, stay safe, and as always, stay techie.